Hey guys, welcome to my new channel, Munchie Critic. What's up? How's it going? How's it coming? So I was actually going to be doing this new thing where I bake things and I do tutorials and everything like that. But everyone does that. I mean, Gordon Ramsay does that and everyone does that. But then I thought for a second, what if I do it for people who have zero budgets? Like myself. Okay, well, I do have a budget. But or I guess income, I guess. I don't know. So then I started looking into my fridge and freezer and cupboards in order to realize that I have almost nothing. So I thought to myself, I'll bake a cake. But then I realized that I don't know if I want to bake a cake because it's really, really long. And then I'll probably bake a cake for a different video. So if you guys want to see me bake a cake, it's down below. Comment, bake a cake, let me know. Yeah, this is wonderful. If in case you're wondering what the sound is, it's my coffee machine. Usually, I get something fancy oh god, that's not fancy, and it's empty. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. But instead, I got kaboom. Look, I know it's shit, and I know it's not the greatest, but it gets me through a really, 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 really rough day of doing nothing, so. Folgers. I wonder if I can get a sponsorship or something, Probably not, because 0 views, but, and 0 subs. 0. First video. So today we're going to be doing something really amazing and super, affordable for everyone. Yes, I'm reaching into my freezer. Gordon Ramsay's probably losing his shit right now. Fun. Alrighty, so we just take our pizza out and we throw it on the counter and carefully rip it open the box so that we can get the juicy little goods on the inside. And flop. Alright, and now we look for our trusty little scissors. There we go. And then we carefully try to cut it open so we can get our good little gourmet pizza outside of its wrapping. Alright, and we take a look, $3.75, and then we toss the box. Alrighty. Take a look, set it to $3.75. Whoops. You go. Alrighty, so while we are waiting for the oven to preheat, we have to get our fries ready. So we're just gonna just like a mystery bag. Oh, perfect. Now, if you're just feeling lazy, you can also do this trick as well. However, we're not going to be doing it that way, so we're going to be doing it the old-fashioned way, so stay tuned. Alright, and for this, my camera was upside down and it was on an olive oil container. So we're going to, flip it the lengthways, and then we're going to cut her right down. Don't make them too thin, don't make them too thick and juicy. And there we go, we turn it on its side, and what I do is that I usually take one end and I shove it off to the other side, like so. And then I start cutting them, like so. Maybe I should speed this up because I feel like, everyone knows how to cut, right? Who doesn't know how to cut? People don't know how to cut. I mean, imagine if you didn't know how to cut a potato. God, could you imagine? Anyway, so you just cut that one, last one, and then there you go. It's pretty much all good. You get ready to put it in the water. I don't know why that's like. Alrighty, and then there we go. It's all done and everything like that, and voila. Just get ready to put our thing on the oil right there, and we just set the oil hopefully to high, and voila, there you go, and just wait. Alright, so note, I actually just re-washed the potatoes, so in case you were wondering at home, y'all were freaking out, put your potatoes in water and keep them there. So I'm keeping them in the water for now, and we're just waiting for the oil to heat up. And in this household, we reuse our oil. We don't, oil's expensive. And while I was waiting for everything to wrap up, I decided to go outside and check to see if the hurricane was still hurricaning. And it was not. It was kind of a dull hurricane, not gonna lie. Okay, so like, if you're like me, I'm just gonna like put it in the oven before it's like preheated. No, it's like almost preheated, so it should be good. Right? Should I take the paper off of it? Shit, I should have read the instructions more. Right, so I threw it in there without the paper. Hopefully that wasn't an issue, and there's no pan on it because I don't have a pan the right size. Is that my sister's? But it's just, you know, how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't fall through the grate. I've had that happen before. When I was like 17. Alright, in case you're wondering what like you can do to check to see if your oil is done, what I do is that I gently like to put my face right up to the boiling oil and feel if it's hot enough. It's not. It's not hot enough. Okay, so like my brother called and then like it was a huge issue of like me talking to my brother while like everything was getting done at the same time. So like I couldn't even pull out, you know, the pizza, and then like you can be like, it was a mess. It was a mess. However, these fries turned out relatively okay. You know, they put an Englishman or a Frenchman in his grave out of horror. You know, of course. And then, you know, the best of the best for Italian pizza, you know? Every Italian mom is looking at this going, I bet this tastes magnifique. But what's the magnifique? Oh, that's French. Anyways. Bye.